Hey, today we're going to open the Blue Sky Space Flyers. This is the blue one. I think it's called Sargeant Supernova. There's the box, and this was given to me. It's already been opened. My granddaughter, her son, was only 3, so he's a little young for this, so she gave it to me. So I'm going to take it out of the box, show it to you, and we'll fly it, see how it does. There he is, the little blue one. There he is. There's where you plug your charger in. There's your on off button. It says charge for 5 minutes. It'll fly for 10. There's your charging cord. Plugs into the computer in the USB port. And plugs in right there. There's your instructions. Not much to them. There's your little man, Sargeant. Let's turn it on and see what it does. There's lights. Look there, his eyes come on. Ooh, look at it spin. Turn it back off. Let's let it launch right here and see what it does just on its own. About 3 seconds and whoop, off it goes. Turn the switch on, you got about 3 seconds and it'll take off. There it goes. Hold your hand under it and it'll go back up. Here's slow motion. Let's do a little flying in here in the den. Got a lot of the lights off so we can see the eyes light up. There it goes. Whoa! Kind of took off, didn't it? There it goes back. Wow. Now I'll get the hang of it here in just a minute. Whoop. Whoop. Up again. Alright, let's try this again. Turn your switch on. Got a lot of lights off so you can see the eyes. Oh, kind of took off, didn't it? Yeah, there. Whoa, dodge it. Hold your hand under it and it'll go up. There you go, see? We're getting a little better here. Not real easy. You have to learn to do this. Just grab it, shut it off. Here's what it looks like in the total dark. See his eyes? Oh, those things are bright. Alright, let's give it another flight. There it goes. Got a lot of the lights off again so you can see his eyes. Hold your hand under it and it'll go back up. That's about all the control you have, up and down. It's quite a fun little thing here. Whoop. Keep it up there. I'm trying to get it to go further out in the room, but it don't want to go anywhere but up and down. Grab it and we'll move it out here. There we go. Not a bad little drone for like $10. Got a short charge time. Lasts about 10 minutes after you charge it for 5. We got a lot more of these videos coming, so stay with us. Please like and subscribe. We'll get them up here as we can. There he is. See you next time.